The video, so it's time for your Bronzepony Wrap Up. And the Wrap Up is a video that I post once a month where I go back through my videos and I choose some pieces that I absolutely love that I would like to share with you again. And for those of you who are new and haven't seen a lot of the pieces, you know, I have about 550 video tutorials and I do have a bunch of playlists. Which you can check out as well. But sometimes, you know, it's just nice to sort of put a few together. And that way, you know, if you love it, you can make it. I will link every, the video tutorial to every piece that I'm showing in the description box below the video. So if you see something you like, you can, you know, the video tutorial will be right, the link will be right there for you. So I think today we're going to start with the Amulet pieces. So this is a piece we made together and it's not that old, but I just think it's so pretty. And the bracelet was inspired by a bracelet that I actually own. That's sort of an antique bracelet and it's sort of hinged and it kind of gave me the idea to make this bracelet. And here's the pendant, and this pendant goes with it, of course. And this was inspired by a piece, museum piece that I saw that I thought was so pretty. And here is another one of the pendants, and I thought, and I've got a drop on this one, and I thought, we could actually make another smaller piece, put it on this side, and then put a peyote band the width of this piece, and make another bracelet. So instead of all one size crystals here, you would have, you know, a larger center stone, two smaller stones, and then a band. I think that would be so pretty. So I'm getting all kinds of ideas now that I'm pulling out some of my pieces, you know, to continue on with that particular design. So here you go. Here are your amulet pieces. Okay, next up we have this ring, and this ring is called the Cosmic Ring, and I pulled it out because it was similar to the amulet pieces, and I mean, you could make a ring using that particular amulet bezel, but this is a different bezel, so I thought it was so pretty. I love a big chunky ring. For the, you know, the fall and the holiday season. I just think it's so pretty. I'm just so into wearing more chunky jewelry and lots more jewelry than I used to wear, than I would wear in the summer. So here's your cosmic ring, pretty peyote band. Very simple, but I think very classic. Next up, we have the Don't Ruffle My Feathers necklace and the Royal Plumage pendant. So the pendant you can just do separately right here, just like this. You can put it on a ribbon, put it on a chain, or you can attach it to this necklace. So the necklace is like so, and then you can attach this pendant right here. And in the video, we do that. And I just love this, this necklace. I wore this on my birthday. I got so many compliments. I wore it with a little black dress, and it was really pretty. I love these gorgeous pearls. I love this color. I think it's so pretty. We have the Lina pendant, and I just love this. Again, love the sparkle for this time of year. This is very vineyardy looking. I love the blues and, you know, the clasp on this. Look at these gorgeous stones here. Absolutely love it. I think this would be so gorgeous for the holidays. And then we have it, let me put this one down. We've got, I did it in this color as well with a ribbon that I just think, I love it. This is gorgeous with a black dress, and put a gold chain on it. It would be so beautiful. Or, you know, if you're in a warm climate and or it's summer, you know, I think that would be super beautiful. So really pretty. And I really enjoyed making this bezel. It's really been fun kind of experimenting with different beads and different bezels. Okay, so now we have the Dynasty ring and Dynasty bracelet, and this is really one of my favorite designs. It's a little bit older, so a little blast from the past, but absolutely love this one. Very similar base as the Crystal Anne pieces and the companion pieces, with just a beautiful pearl embellishment. I think this would be a gorgeous double. We could do that. That would make a beautiful, wouldn't that be gorgeous? So I might make a double, and I think this would make a great necklace. So I mean, just think of a whole string of 8mm pearls around your neck, pearls and crystals around your neck, and low in the candlelight at a restaurant. It just makes your face glow. And here's the ring, of course, which I absolutely love. I made so many of these as gifts. So here you go. Here are your Dynasty pieces. Okay, so here's everything. I'll put this guy down, and here are all your pieces for this wrap up. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you make some of these if you haven't made them already. And I hope if you have made them that you will post them on Facebook again so we can take a look. I love looking at pieces that you've made, and you know, especially pieces that have, you know, it's been a while since we've seen them. So that would be really cool. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you for a wrap up next time. Take care. Bye-bye.